Hello, welcome to another video tutorial from Toyslab Creations. It's your girl Toiba. Today we are going to be doing a video tutorial on a baby girl booty. The sew is also going to be worked flat like the last tutorial that we had. So for this project we are going to be needing 3.5mm hook, 2 stitch markers, yarn needle, and also sport weight yarn in 2 colors. I'm going to be using pink and cream color. I'm going to be needing just a little bit of this color. Then also I'm going to be using tape measure to measure the size of the sew, and scissors to cut excess yarn of the project. So let's get started. We are going to be starting with the cream color. I'm making our sew first, so I'm going to start with a slip stitch. Then we chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So unlike our last project that we did half double crochet, I want to start this sew with single crochets. So you leave just one chain, then in the next chain, second chain from the hook, you're going to be doing 1 single crochet. So at the end of this row, you're going to be having 24 single crochets. Remember to mark your very first stitch. I've done 2 so far, so 1, 2, 1, 2. So let's continue. 3, 4. So you continue to do a single crochet in each chain down this row, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. So I've completed my 24 single crochets. So let us move to the next row. So for row 2 now, chain 2, then turn the project. In this very first stitch, you're going to be working 2 half double crochet. 1. Remember to mark your first stitch. 2. Then in the next 8 stitches, 1 half double crochet each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then in the next 6 stitches, you're going to be doing 2 half double crochet in each one. So 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the second one. 1, 2. The third one. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 6. Then the next 8 stitches, 1 half double crochet each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So for the last stitch of the previous row, remove the stitch marker and put 2 half double crochet in this one. With this, we've come to the end of the second row. So for the third row now, chain 2, turn our work. Then in the very first stitch, you're going to be adding 2 half double crochet. 1, 2. Then the next 30 stitches, you're going to be having 1 half double crochet each. So sorry, and I forgot to mark the very first stitch, so let me just do that. So for the next 30 stitches, 1 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So continue. When you finish your 30 half double crochet, we'll continue. So to finish row 3, remove our stitch marker, and in this last stitch of the previous row, work 2 half double crochet. This second half double crochet is going to be finished with a slip stitch of the second color. Slip stitch with the second color rather. Okay, so I'm going to be working with the pink color from here on. So chain 1, turn our work, and working into the front loops only, you're going to be single crocheting down this row 4. So 1, mark this, then in each stitch 1 single crochet in front loops only in each stitch across this row. At the end of the row, you should have a total of 34 stitches. So continue, and I'll meet you at the end of the row. Let's finish row 4 together. Almost done with the row. Remember, in the front loops only. So let's remove the stitch marker, and the last stitch 1 single crochet in front loops only. So for row 5 now, chain 2, turn your work, 1 half double crochet into the first stitch, mark it, then 1 half double crochet in each stitch across this row. So also at the end of this row, you should be having a total of 34 half double crochets. Sorry. Oops. So continue, and I'll meet you towards the end of the row. So let's finish row 5 together. Continue with 1 half double crochet in each stitch. So remove the stitch marker and work 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. At the end of this row, you should have a total of 34 half double crochet. So moving up to row 6 now. 1, 2, turn your work. I'm sorry, for this row we are going to be starting with single crochet, so just chain 1, then turn. In the first stitch, 1 single crochet, mark that stitch. Then in the next 8, 1 single crochet each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The next 4 stitches, 1 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to do double crochet 2 together 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the next 4 stitches, 1 half double crochet each. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next 9 stitches, the last 9 stitches, 1 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last stitch, making a total of 9 single crochets. For our next row 7, chain 1, turn our work, and work 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet in this first stitch, mark it. Then the next 8 stitches, 1 single crochet also, making a total of 9 single crochets. You have 4 so far. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 1 half double crochet in the next 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we double crochet 2 together twice. This is 1, and 2. Then 1 half double crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the next 9 stitches, 1 single crochet. 1, 2. So after this row, we are going to be working the upper part of our shoe. The upper part of the right shoe is different from the upper part of the left shoe. So I'm going to be showing you how you're going to be working it for each leg. So let's finish this row. Then we'll continue with the upper part of the right shoe first.